Today, I am so excited to be at the beautiful Cresswind at Twin Lakes community in Hoschton, Georgia. This is the largest and most posh active adult community in all of North Georgia. This community offers over-the-top amenities like Georgia's largest private pickleball complex, resort-style pools, walking trails, an event lawn, a community garden, a dog park, and all of this sits on two gorgeous lakes, perfect for kayaking and fishing. On top of that, they have this amazing $14 million clubhouse that has all kinds of activities and a fitness center and so many things to do. I'm going to show you that in this video. You are absolutely going to love it here. I love it here, so let's get started.
Cresswind at Twin Lakes is located in Hoschton, Georgia, which is 50 miles north of Atlanta. The main highway you would take to get to Hoschton is Highway 85. Hoschton, Georgia is under 60 minutes away from several of Georgia's most popular destinations.
Hi, my name is Tanya Cristiano, and if you are moving to the Atlanta area and need help figuring out which neighborhood is the best fit for you, or if you're interested in a Cresswinds community, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to be your realtor and help you through the entire construction process, from contract to close. All of my contact information is going to be linked in the description of this video. Today we are in the beautiful Cresswind at Twin Lakes community, and the homes here range anywhere from 1,400 to 2,800 square feet. They offer beautiful open floor plans with features like tall ceilings and great big beautiful windows and gourmet kitchens, and loads of finish options, creating these amazing and unique spaces. This community has 15 beautifully decorated model homes all here. They are arranged going up and down the street and around this cul-de-sac. There is absolutely so much to see here that I'm going to have to break this into a 6-part series so that you can see all the options you have, starting with the lowest price point options and progressively working your way up and moving up in price point. You are absolutely going to love these model homes. They are decorated impeccably. So let's get started with the first model house on our tour now.
If you're interested in this beautiful home or just need help navigating the Atlanta market, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is listed in the description of this video. If you love touring luxury homes and getting to see the latest design trends in new construction, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting weekly videos of the most beautiful homes from all over Georgia.
So what did you think about this community? Can you see yourself living here? I know I can. I really love it here. But let me know what you thought in the comments. Well, that is a wrap for this part of the Tour of Cresswinds series. And I would love for you to stay tuned because I'm going to have more videos coming up and more tours, and they just keep getting better and better. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you are moving to Atlanta and need help figuring out which neighborhood is the best fit for you, or if you are interested in one of the Cresswinds community, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to be your realtor and help you through the entire construction process from contract to close. All of my contact information is going to be linked in the description below. Also, I'm going to be posting all kinds of videos on the suburbs of Atlanta, from pros and cons to the cost of living, and even house and neighborhood tours just like this one. So go ahead, subscribe to this channel and click the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about the current real estate market here in Atlanta. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, y'all.